Hey hookers, welcome back to Inspired by a Smile. This is Christy with a new fresh tutorial of some Valentine themed earrings, some cute little heart dangling earrings here. So if you want to make them, you need some embroidery floss and a 2mm hook, and also your earring hooks and pliers. So let's get started. Alright, so I have all the hearts made. I'm just going to show you how to make one here. You can definitely use whatever colors you like, but since there's that Valentine theme, I did them those colors. So I'm chaining 4 and joining the end with a slip stitch. That's going to be a circle, magic circle, I guess, whatever. And if you want to do it the regular way, go for it. This is just how I do it. So after doing that, you want to do a chain, and then we're going to do 9 half double crochet into the circle. Make sure you crochet over the little piece of thread. Again, that's 9 half double crochet into the circle. While you're doing that, I'd like to thank everyone for watching my videos so far. I really do appreciate it. If you can hit the like button at any time during the video, it's also appreciated. And if you haven't subscribed and turned on notifications, make sure that you do so you don't miss any upcoming videos. And if you need help or anything, or just want to talk, I am on social media everywhere. I'm available in case you need help, or like I said, just chat. All my links are at the top of my YouTube channel, and it's not expected at all, but if you would like to donate on PayPal, my link is there. It's a one-time donation for that. I also have subscriptions set up on Facebook for $1.29 a month, and Patreon is $3 a month. And right now I'm having a special offer since I'm new with the subscriptions on Facebook. The first 5 people will get a free gift that sign up. I already have one. And then when I hit 10 subscribers, I'm going to do a giveaway. So check out all my links at the top of my YouTube channel if you have the chance. Alright, so I'm at the beginning. I just joined with a slip stitch into the first stitch and did a chain. Now go into the first stitch, and then we're going to do all in the same stitch. You want to do a half double crochet, a chain, and then a half double crochet. Again, that's all in the same stitch. That's going to be the point of the heart. So half double crochet, chain, half double crochet in there. And now you want to do a half double crochet in the next 2 stitches. These are so fun to make. They're so little and cute. They can be used definitely for other stuff too. I have a tutorial of just the hearts as well if you want to make them for other things. So this one is going to be a double crochet, and you're going to do 2 in the same stitch. So you want to do 2 double crochet in this stitch. Awesome. Now in the next stitch, you want to do 3 triple crochet. If you want to make these bigger or smaller, you definitely can. Just change the hook size. I wanted to make them this size. The 2mm is easier to use as well. Anything smaller is like, it's pushing it. I can use the 1mm though pretty easily. I used that for my second last tutorial. And if you guys want to make anything else on my channel, please check it out. There's definitely a lot more where this comes from, especially in the Valentine's section if you need anything. So I just did a slip stitch in the stitch after the 3 triples. Now I'll show you how to do the other side of the heart. Alright, so now we're going to repeat what we did on the other side. So after doing the slip stitch in that stitch, you want to go in the next one and do 3 triple crochet in the same stitch. And I forgot to mention, guys, if you want to request any tutorials, please let me know. I love hearing what you guys want to make. And if you do want to send me pictures of your finished makes or videos, please do so. Again, all my socials are linked at the top of my channel, so you can send me your stuff. I love seeing finished projects. A few of you have sent me pictures, and it's just awesome. to see what you guys do with my tutorials, especially when they're modified to do something else. They look really good. And it's a great feeling seeing the finished work and knowing that people can make my stuff. Alright, so after the 3 triple, you want to do 2 double crochet in the next stitch. Again, guys, if you don't mind, hit the like button at any time during the video. It's appreciated. Alright, so after that, do the half double crochet in the next 2 stitches here, and then we're almost at the end. And of course, make sure you are subscribed with notifications onto my channel. It does help. YouTube will happily let you know when I upload new videos. So I'm in the last stitch here. I'm just doing a slip stitch into the bottom where we began. Now you want to leave the thread long enough so you can sew each heart together. And if you are using these for something else, I do have another video, like I said, just of the appliques. You'll have to leave the thread long enough accordingly so you can sew them to things if that's what you're doing. Awesome. So that's all done. So you will have to make 6 in total if you want to make the 3 with the dangling earring. So these are my 3 that I have for the earring I'm going to put together. The white one is going on the bottom, so I already sewed the extra thread into the back of the heart. So whichever heart's going on the bottom, you can do that first. And you want to just sew that little piece of thread in as well. I'm just going to show you that quickly before we move on. So just go in the back of the stitches. And there we go. You just got to trim that after. Awesome. Alright, so we're ready to go and put the earring together. Of course, make sure you do all your other hearts first, but let's get this done. Alright, so now I'm going to show you how to put this together here after you have all your hearts. So hold the hook upside down so it's easier to pull this apart. Just pull it apart enough so you can put the first heart on. You just want to go on the top in the middle of it like this. It just has to go in the first couple top threads there. And this part's a little awkward. You just want to, once you got it positioned properly and you're comfortable, you just got to clamp it together. You want to make sure the heart is in there and not, yeah, however else I don't know how to explain that really, but you just want to make sure that the heart isn't, I guess, on the, you want to make sure it's all the way in there. Yeah. So just clamp it together. Make sure it's nice and secure. That little ball at the top makes it a little awkward, but once you got it on there, it's good to go. And I love making crochet earrings. They're so nice and lightweight. I'm not starching these or anything either, or blocking them. I'm just going to leave them as is. And again, guys, if you need any more Valentine's Day tutorials, they're all in the playlist. I started a playlist for my Valentine's Day stuff since I now have more things in the theme. So I got these two sewn together already because it's the exact same. So you're just going in the back of the heart here in the first couple stitches at the top. Make sure you've got it on there the way that you want it and it looks okay. I ended up taking it out and refixing it after this, but you want to make sure that they look good. Again, guys, thank you all for watching. I really do appreciate you guys coming in and supporting my channel. And if you can like the video, it's really appreciated. And do make sure that you are subscribed with notifications on so that you know when I post new stuff. And if you do want to follow me on any of my other social accounts, they are all at the top of my channel. Or if you want to do a one-time donation, subscribe to Facebook or my Patreon, those links are there too. And like I said, first 5 people to sign up to my Facebook subscriptions are getting a free gift. I gotta still send out the one actually. I gotta get her address. And then after 10 subscriptions, I will do a giveaway of some sort. I'm not sure of what yet. And I do random giveaways on my Facebook page a lot too, so it's good to be following me on there for sure. But I am on all my other socials just in case you're not on a certain one. I like to be available to you guys, especially if you need help with anything. Alright, I fixed that and we're going to go back in. Again, you just need to do about 2 or 3 stitches to make sure that it's together. They're so light in that you don't really have to overdo it on the stitching. Just make sure that they are secured and not going to fall apart. These will make some adorable gifts, or if you just need a cute pair of earrings to wear for Valentine's Day, these will definitely do the trick. And again, there is another tutorial of just the hearts if you want to make them for something else. It's basically the same thing as this, just not making the earring. And I do have a lot of other earrings on my channel as well. Alright, so I'm ready to fasten this off. So I'm just going in the back of the heart. And there we go, just pull tight enough. It'll also help get your stitching a little tighter after. And then just carefully snip. And you've got yourself a nice pair of Valentine's Day or whatever theme day you want these for. Some nice earrings. Awesome job, guys. Yay!